You know, we always have to deal with stains and keeping our clothes and things that we use in the house clean. But if you're not into using a chlorine bleach and you're looking for a green alternative, I've got some things you might want to consider. First of all, one of the easiest things to do is just use baking soda. You can take a cup of baking soda and just add it to the laundry detergent that you are already using in your washer, and what you'll find is that your whites come out brighter and cleaner. That's one idea. Okay, the second is to think about using peroxide. You can actually take a cup of peroxide and add it to your wash, particularly when you're trying to get those whites clean. Okay, you start your laundry, it fills up, and before it engages, you pour the peroxide in, 1 cup, and you let it sit there for 1 hour. Then you close the lid, engage the washer, and let it run through its cycle. Also, you'll find that if you're trying to get rid of a really tough stain like blood in a fabric, peroxide is really good. Just let it soak on that stain for a while before you throw it into the washer. The last is probably the easiest of all. That's using ultraviolet light. From where? The sun, of course. So you can hang these clothes out on an old-fashioned clothesline and brighten and freshen all of those sheets or clothes that you have hanging out there. So you're not using your dryer, so you're not using energy, which is another green approach.